Welcome to the Skillz Developer Tutorial Series, a step-by-step video series designed to get you up and running on the Skillz platform as easily as possible. In this video, you'll learn how to build your game on an Android device in the Sandbox environment. As you can see, there's a lot to cover, so let's jump right into it. The Skillz platform values fairness and integrity above all else. Before building, it's important to test your game in a controlled environment to ensure it's working properly. The Sandbox environment allows you to test your game throughout development without affecting your production environment. Let's see how it's done for Android. We cover how to do it for iOS in another video. First, open your Unity project and make sure the Skillz settings are set up correctly for your game. Go to Skillz, Settings, and enter the game ID. You can retrieve the game ID from the developer console. Select the Sandbox environment and choose the orientation for your project. Here, we'll use the portrait orientation. Before you build your game to an Android device, you need to configure the external Dependency Manager. This will include Skillz-specific dependencies in your project. Go to Assets, External Dependency Manager, Android Resolver, Settings. Uncheck Enable Auto Resolution and make sure Patch Main Template Gradle and Use Jetifier are checked. Click OK. Next, you need to resolve the Android dependencies. To resolve the dependencies, you will need to change your platform to Android. Go to File, Build Settings, then change the platform to Android. Then go to Assets, External Dependency Manager, Android Resolver, Resolve. If the resolution fails on the first pass, no problem. You can do a forced resolve. Now that you've configured the external dependency manager for Android, you need to configure the player and build settings. Go to File, Build Settings, and click Player Settings. On the Android tab, open the Resolution and Presentation section. Change the resolution scaling mode to Fixed DPI and set the target DPI to 328. Open the Other Settings section and set the scripting backend to IL2CPP and the target architecture to ARM v7 and ARM 64. Close the player settings. In the build settings, make sure all the scenes for your project are included in the Scenes in Build. Then select the Export Project option. Click Export, and your project will be built to an Android Studios project. Once the project is built, open the project in Android Studios. The Skillz SDK requires Gradle 6.5 or later to build correctly. If you are prompted to upgrade the Gradle version of the project in Android Studios, you will need to do this before continuing. Connect your Android device, then run your Android Studios project. Well done! You've now built your game to an Android device. Congratulations! You're now ready to test your game's functionality. If you run into issues during the build process, refer to our documentation for more detailed instructions. Just follow the link in the video description below. In the next video, you'll learn how to build your game for production and upload it to the Skillz Developer Console. Go team!